Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with clean hands and calm breath. This reduces slipping and skin oils that stick lenses. Once steady, tilt your head slightly forward and focus on a fixed spot so your eyes relax and don't reflexively blink. Make a small, controlled grip at the bridge with one hand while supporting both temples with the other. This distributes force. Move slowly. Avoid twisting. This initial setup prevents lenses from catching on lashes and sets you up for a smooth, safe removal. You now remove the temples from behind your ears, one temple at a time, to avoid unseating the frame. Once both temples are free, lift the spectacles straight forward away from the face. Make sure you do not pull at an angle, because that stresses hinges and can snag eyelashes. Keep the lenses vertical to avoid smudging and to maintain balance, which prevents a drop. If the frame resists, pause and adjust your grip. Small controlled movements beat force every time. You finish by setting the spectacles on a soft cloth, lenses up to avoid scratches. This preserves coatings. Then inspect nose pads, screws, and hinges. Tighten gently if something feels loose, because loose parts cause future catching. If the frames feel stuck to the skin, relax. Close your eyes for a second, warm a clean cloth and press gently to loosen oils, and then repeat the removal step slowly. If pain or visible injury occurs, stop and seek professional help. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.